Today I have a new video for you guys. You guys asked and requested for this purple eye look. I did a poll on Instagram and you guys, purple won, but green also almost won, and a few of you guys actually DM me asking me to do a green eye makeup look still. So I did another poll on Instagram and you guys still said that you guys wanted the green makeup look, so watch out. Well, that's coming too. If you guys want to participate in my polls, then you guys have to follow me on my Instagram, which I will have it somewhere here. I think it's like somewhere here. My Instagram, I am super duper active there. Yes, bitch. You guys can communicate with me there. Like, a lot of you guys have been DMing me and saying like, oh my god, I'm so excited, I love all your videos, and I cannot be any more thankful for you guys. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all the support that you guys give to me. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. Oh, sassy. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, let's start with the eyes. I've already primed my eyelids with my matte painterly paint pot and then set it with my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette in the shade Desert Sand. I'm gonna go into my Makeupgeek palette. This is a palette I created like probably 2 years ago, I think. I'm gonna first start with the shade Unexpected with my BH Cosmetics number 101 brush. Do you guys like this angle better, or like previously when you guys were really up close to my eye? Because I don't know, I like this angle better. And then I'm gonna go in to the shade Amethyst, which is like a bright purple. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This one comes in like all of their palettes. Subculture, Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna take this side with the I'm gonna take this side and I'm gonna take the shade Amethyst and just start applying that onto the outer corners first. I'm just building up colors there. And then bringing that into my crease all the way to the inner corners. And then I'm taking my e.l.f. blending brush, taking a little bit of the shade Amethyst on my brush and just start blending that out. You want to go up onto the crease. And then just blending that out, blending the edges. And then I'm going to go into my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm just going to do the exact same thing that we did with the shade Amethyst. Do you see how the color looks a bit more brighter now? I guess you could see. And then you just want to blend that all out after you have laid down the colors. When I'm into my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Saffron, I think. Yeah, right, this is the color Saffron. And again, with that same brush, gonna do that. All about this look is like really building up the intensity and the color of the purple. So that's what we're gonna do. And then blend it all out. Going back into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to take this dark plummy purple shade. And I'm going to go into the shade Oud by the Huda Beauty Desert Dust. I'm just going to take a regular angled brush and I'm just going to apply that like here. Like, I'm just going to, I guess you could say, carve out the crease. I'm just gonna carve out the crease. I said I got these Huda Beauty eyeshadows. Magnificent. They look beautiful. They blend so good. Ugh. I'm gagging. Then I'm taking my regular blending brush and just blend that all out. And I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just making sure that I don't have so many purple on my eyelid area. And then taking that e.l.f. blending brush with whatever excess that you have on the brush, and then you're just gonna blend the outer corners so it like blends together. Oh, I lied. I thought we were only gonna use one Makeupgeek eyeshadow. I forgot. I'm gonna use the shade Glamorous. Okay, so you guys know I'm gonna go in with the shade Nefertiti, and then I'm just gonna spray my brush.
Guess who's calling me? It's Under the Sea.
Yo!
Hey, come here.
Hold on. Oh my god, guys, it's Anda!
But you don't have.
You're so what the fuck is slap you? Before I was rudely interrupted by Under the Sea. I'm just gonna remove my tape and I'm gonna show you that beauty. Bitch. Okay, this one is because I never paste properly lah, but because I bodoh. So I'm just again gonna blend the edges. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm using the ZA Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and as well it's a Catrice Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I'm using the Creative Soul. Okay, I'm gonna use the Creative Soul Cosmetics lashes in Poetic. Every time I use these lashes, everyone always asks me, like outside, they'll be like, what are you wearing? And I'm like, Creative Soul Cosmetics. And they will give me the what the fuck look, because they're expecting me to say something that they can find in Sephora. So I'm going to use my Australis Matte Out Mattifying Face Base to apply onto my face as a primer. So for foundation, I'm using the Silky Girl Skin Perfect Liquid Foundation. Using the Zoeva 104 brush.
I don't know why, but recently I've been loving to use my brush again, because it's just so much faster. I just use my beauty blender like right at the end just to make sure that my foundation is blended in.
And then to contour my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Mocha. And then I'm using my 110 face shape by Zoeva. And then to highlight my skin, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Bamboo. I'm just gonna make sure that my contour is chiseled. I'm using my Brina Beauty, and I'm just going to pound that in. Oh, it's really wet. Shit. And then to actually conceal, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, but how extra are these earrings though? I tell you, Lovisa, they got that shit, okay? And then I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs Do You drops. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh, I might look like an actual disco ball.
Oh, this. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh my god, that's a lot. Bless.
Let me try blending it up. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take my Australis Ready Set Go finishing powder. And I'm taking my Mosaic Cosmetics loose powder. I'm just going to go first to all the places that are quite hard to reach with my big powder brush, because I always realized that some parts of my face are not powdered. For example, in between my eyebrows, or like right on top of my eyebrows, so I wouldn't ruin it, you know, that kind. So I'm gonna do first, and then I'll take my big powder brush and I'll set my whole face. I'm gonna bronze out my skin a little bit more. So I'm using my Catrice Cosmetics my Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Professional Contouring Palette. And then using that same powder with my Zoeva 109 Luxe Face Paintbrush. Just gonna contour out my cheekbones. For blush, I am so freaking excited to use this. Do you see? I'm like so excited. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in the Radiant Blush Kits. I've never tried any of their blushes, so I am super excited. I'm probably gonna go in with... I'm gonna take the shade Coastline. Oh, it's crazy pigmented. What the fuck? Dude, I literally just tapped my brush. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Desi X Katy Dose of Colors. I'm gonna take the shade Fuego. So I'm just gonna take my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna go in to the shade Oud, and I'm just gonna line my whole entire lower lash line with it. Then I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush from BH Cosmetics and go into that amethyst shade, and I'm just gonna start blending that Oud out with the shade Amethyst. For the brow bone highlight, I'm gonna take the shade Desert Sand. I tell you, I think Desert Sand will be the first shade I would like run out of. And then I'm taking my Silky Girl pencil, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. So I feel like I want to go with a nude lip because my eyes are very dramatic already. So I'm going to take my Kylie Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naked.
Okay.
Okay, you guys saw, right? That lip color was a disaster. So I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the shade Coffee, and then I'm gonna mix it with this new SNH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Squad. So yeah, this is the completed look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.